this is where I get hesitant, because obviously there's a hole here, a hole here, and a hole here to take this whole assembly off. But all these wires go through one hole, and like this one comes in through this big loom on the bottom, connects, and goes up to the top. And I don't really want to start disconnecting things until I know what they're for and I can label them. So when I take it apart, I can put it back together and have some sort of semblance of knowledge of what's what. Because there's just like, I mean, there's a lot of like loomed wires which you can track pretty easily. Like if you push, you know, this one right here, if you push down on that, you can see it goes right to this. It's this one right here. That's what that is. And then that goes to this. So I could technically label that and be done with it, but it's just a lot of like, you know, what does this go to? And then there's a bunch of these like push connector ones in the back that are just like single wires. Ugh. This is not I know people really enjoy wiring and some people like understand it really well. This is not my thing. Painting, disassembling, like maintenance, like basic maintenance I can do and I enjoy. Painting especially. Painting that tank's gonna be super fun, and the little side pieces, I'm actually excited about that. If I can get it to the point where I can get the the engine and the frame separated, I'm gonna paint both those. I'm kind of excited about that. I mean, the frame's actually pretty good. It's just super dirty, but like otherwise, the paint on it's really nice. It's like no rust on this bike at all, which is other than, you know, surface rust like the shocks and like some corrosion stuff, but rust wise this bike is perfect. I mean, other than the inside of the headlight, which is, who cares? The outside's, you know, the outside has nothing on it at all. It's all perfectly smooth. It's just the inside that has some rust. Who cares? That's normal. I don't know. This is just where I get a little bit hesitant because it's just a lot of stuff that I don't fully understand. Like, I want to know what this is for. Why was it, you know, why does it connect into something just to connect into a dead box with a bunch of tape around it? That worries me because I don't know what it's for. I really wish I could just take that out so I could have some more room, but yeah. So we're working through. We're figuring it out, little things at a time. Okay. We've got, I think we've got everything for the tachometer and speedo and the lights, the clutch, pretty much everything's unattached for that. I think this is actually fully detached now. Unattached, detached, whatever. I still don't know what this goes to. Haven't figured out that. We're not going to worry about it. We've got dash lights. We've got speedo, tacho, clutch power. Oh yeah, because there's this little, that cable right there. This one, I don't know what it goes to, because it goes right there, and it's not a cable, and I don't know why it would be powered there and just power it to there, into that, and then I don't know. We haven't gotten there yet. So we're tacho key. We got that, or the ignition coil, whatever you want to call it, inertial switch. It's easier to just write key. We've got link control. Then there's this wire that wasn't attached to anything. It's just in here. I don't know what that goes to yet. We haven't gotten to the blinker lights yet because those are buried in the mess of. I've been trying to pull things out as I've been doing them, so I have less in here to fight with. So like most of this stuff is, you know, there's your speedo, that's the ignition key, this is your lights. I did have oh yeah, that's the other side of the clutch power one. And then this is your tachometer wires. So I'm pretty sure this is fully disassembled right now. I think that's actually pretty. I could take this off and get it out of the way if I wanted to, which might actually be a good thing to do because it's just 2 bolts. I might actually do that now.